Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix this Microsoft Store not downloading apps problem. First, check your internet connection. So you can go right here and check your Wi-Fi connection, and you can also restart your router if possible. And you can also go to speedtest.net and check your internet speed. Now, once you've done this first step right here, you can check your Microsoft Store. Now, the second way in how you can fix this issue is just to make sure that your date and time settings is correct. So go right here on the system tray and right click this one and click on adjust date and time. Now here on settings, you need to make sure that you turn on this set time automatically. Now the third option is restart your Microsoft Store cache. So just tap on this Windows plus R key button on your keyboard, and then it will show you the Run app. Now right here on the Run app, you just type right here wsreset.exe and then click enter, and it will restart your Microsoft Store cache. Now the fourth way here, now you can fix this issue is check your storage. So let's go on settings, and here on system, go to storage, and you need to make sure that you have enough free space for your computer or storage on your computer. Now the last option here to be considered is to reset your Microsoft Store. You can go back to the system settings and then click on these apps and then click on installed apps. Now here, find the Microsoft Store app. Once you find that one, click on these three dots and then click on advanced options. Now once you click this advanced option here, you will go to this page, scroll down and click this reset button here if the app is still not working. Now once you've done all the process here, it should fix the issue on Microsoft Store not downloading apps problem. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.